So I just got my self-driving car working just last week, and it's working right now in Unity in a simulator that I built. It's one of the problems you have when you're training neural networks is having lots of data, so I thought it'd be cool to have a randomly generated road so that I could train it against roads that all kinds of different curves, and then have it try out roads it had never seen before and see how it works. So when I first started training it, it had problems with the shadows, and then I added more shadows and in the training data, and it's definitely helped, although it still has problems here and there. And then this shadow right here from the land, it used to pick up as the edge of the road and would go on the other side. It handles it much better. The glare off the road definitely causes problems for it, but more training seems to have helped that. These particular set of curves right here are really steep, and at first the training wasn't good enough to stay on the road. You can tell it kind of gets off the track there a little bit. There's a challenging area where the road whites out and then the shadow comes. So I trained it using a PID controller. So there's a fair amount of oscillation, but it had a pretty clean signal for the steering. But now it's using a sensor on the front of the car, and it's capturing an image and it's sending it to a neural net in a Python process. And that Python process is sending the steering signal back inside the game engine. You see right here, there's a little washout area, and it surprisingly it handled it pretty well, I think. I wanted to change up the terrain, so here there's less trees, and just to see if how much it's using the visual cues off of the outside of the road to know where to steer. It seems to do really quite well with just the road. And speaking of which, there's the end of it.